The hidden switch inside your cells, NASA, Harvard, and the truth about aging. There exists a profound secret, a hidden switch deep within the very cells that compose your being. This intricate mechanism holds the key to your energy, your mental clarity, and even the pace at which you experience aging. It is a scientific revelation, often overlooked by the hurried pace of mainstream medicine, yet its implications are nothing short of revolutionary. For years, elite scientists from institutions like NASA and Harvard have dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries of this cellular switch. They have meticulously charted its function, its decline, and its incredible potential. The truth is, this vital switch begins to dim for most of us in our mid-20s, initiating a subtle yet undeniable shift in how we feel and perform. The problem: age-related decline. You know the feeling. The mornings that arrive with a heavy sigh rather than a burst of energy. The lingering soreness after a workout that once felt invigorating. The creeping fatigue that settles in by afternoon, making focus a distant memory. These are not merely signs of getting older, as we've been led to believe. These are cellular signals, urgent messages from within, indicating that your internal energy systems are running low. They are whispers from your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, struggling to keep pace. This pervasive decline, this feeling of your vitality slipping away, is specifically linked to dwindling levels of a critical molecule. That molecule is NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It is the spark plug of your cellular engine. Human studies have consistently shown that older adults exhibit significantly lower levels of NAD+ in their brains compared to their younger counterparts. This age-related NAD+ decline is not isolated. It is reported across various vital body tissues, impacting every facet of your health. The science of NAD+ and cellular function. Imagine your cells as miniature cities, each with its own power grid. At the heart of this grid are the mitochondria, the undisputed power plants, tirelessly producing the essential energy that fuels every thought, every movement, every beat of your heart. Without them, life as we know it would cease. NAD+ is not just important for these power plants, it is absolutely crucial. It acts as a coenzyme, a vital helper molecule, enabling the complex biochemical reactions that generate energy within your mitochondria. But its role extends far beyond mere energy production. NAD+ also activates a remarkable class of proteins known as sirtuins. These sirtuins are often referred to as longevity proteins for a very good reason. They are the guardians of your genetic code, vital for repairing damaged DNA and maintaining the overall resilience of your cells. They are the silent protectors, working tirelessly to keep your cellular machinery running smoothly. As we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decline, a process that begins far earlier than most realize. This decline has a cascading effect. It leads to reduced cellular energy, making your cells less efficient. It slows down the critical process of DNA repair, leaving your genetic material more vulnerable to damage. The physical symptoms you experience, like fatigue, slow recovery, and brain fog, are direct manifestations of this internal cellular struggle. Groundbreaking research, particularly from Harvard-linked scientists, has demonstrated a profound connection. Boosting NAD+ levels has been shown to significantly increase the activity of PARP1, a key DNA repair protein. This means that by replenishing NAD+, we can effectively re-energize our cellular repair systems and dramatically reduce the molecular signs of DNA damage that accumulate with age. The lack of widespread awareness and key research. Given its fundamental importance, you might wonder why NAD+ isn't a household name, why it isn't widely promoted by mainstream medicine. The answer, in part, lies in its very nature. NAD+ is a natural molecule, a fundamental component of life itself, and therefore, it is non-patentable. This simple fact often limits the financial incentive for large-scale pharmaceutical promotion. Yet, behind the scenes, mission-critical organizations like NASA are actively and intensely studying NAD+. Why NASA? Because spaceflight exposes astronauts to extreme stressors, including radiation and microgravity, which wreak havoc on DNA and cellular energy systems. Understanding and mitigating these effects is paramount for long-duration space missions. NASA's landmark twin study, which compared astronaut Scott Kelly to his identical twin brother Mark on Earth, documented profound DNA damage and molecular shifts during Scott's year in space. This research underscored the urgent need for countermeasures to protect human health beyond Earth's atmosphere. Consequently, NASA-aligned projects are now actively testing NAD+ precursors, such as NMN, as potential countermeasures against these space-relevant stressors. Closer to home, Dr. David Sinclair's pioneering team at Harvard has provided crucial insights into NAD+'s mechanism of action. Their research revealed that NAD+ directly regulates the DNA repair protein PARP1, a process mediated by another protein called DBC1. Their studies showed that restoring NAD+ levels in mice rapidly improved markers of DNA repair, offering a glimpse into the profound regenerative potential of this molecule. Potential solutions and important caveats. The scientific community is increasingly optimistic about the potential of replenishing cellular NAD+. Preclinical studies have consistently shown promising results across a spectrum of age-related conditions. The associated benefits include not only better cellular energy and more active DNA repair, but also improved function in models of vascular aging, neurodegeneration, and metabolic stress. Furthermore, NAD+ replenishment has shown promise in mitigating radiation-related damage, a critical area of research for both space travel and terrestrial health. It is important to acknowledge that while these findings are incredibly exciting, most of the supporting studies are currently animal or cell-based. Human trials are emerging and continue to build a robust body of evidence. The journey from laboratory discovery to widespread clinical application is a meticulous one, and we are witnessing its unfolding in real time. However, there is a crucial caveat that must be addressed with utmost seriousness. NAD+ metabolism is complex, and its role in cancer biology is still being actively investigated. Some tumors, in their aggressive growth, may exploit NAD+ pathways. Therefore, for individuals with a history of cancer or those currently undergoing treatment, consultation with a healthcare professional is absolutely essential before considering any NAD+ boosters. Your health and safety are paramount. When considering any supplement designed to impact your cellular health, quality is not just important, it is non-negotiable. High purity and rigorous third-party testing are the absolute bedrock of trust and efficacy. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting into your body. This is why we proudly introduce Therapium NAD+. It is a meticulously crafted supplement, third-party tested to ensure an exceptional purity of 99% or greater. Therapium NAD+ is specifically formulated to support your cellular energy pathways, helping to reignite that hidden switch within your cells. Beyond NAD+, Therapium NAD+ includes Shilajit, a powerful natural compound revered for its mitochondrial support properties. It also incorporates PQQ, or pyrroloquinoline quinone, which in preclinical work has shown exciting potential for mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria. This comprehensive approach aims to optimize your cellular powerhouses from multiple angles. Imagine a future where your energy doesn't fade with age, where mental clarity remains sharp, and your body recovers with the resilience of youth. This vision is not a fantasy. It is the promise of supporting your cellular health at its most fundamental level. It is about empowering your body to thrive, not just survive. The time to act is now. Support your cellular energy, protect your DNA, and activate your longevity switch by choosing quality and transparency. Discover Therapium NAD+, and embark on a journey to restore your energy, support your DNA, and unlock your full potential. Please remember, the information presented here is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a history of cancer before beginning any new supplement regimen. For a comprehensive list of the scientific sources backing these claims, please refer to the description below.